Hi friends, for the art center today, you're going to need your octopus pieces. So we're going to have a purple piece like this and 8 purple strips, 2 white circles for the eyes. To make the octopus legs, we're going to do an accordion fold, okay? So we're going to take each strip and we're going to fold it over, under, over, under. So we're kind of making an accordion fold. See how I'm doing that, friends? So you're just kind of folding it up, and then it'll make a pretty cool crinkle leg for your octopus, okay? So we're going to go ahead and fold all 8 of them like that. Let's do another one together. Ready? Over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. Okay? So we're going to fold all 8 of them. I'm going to pause the video and go ahead and do my 8 while you do yours. Okay, friends, if you see, I have all of my octopus legs. I did my accordion fold. Now we have to glue them on. So we're going to have 8 of them. We're going to glue all 8 onto our octopus body. Okay, so I'm going to put some glue. And on this one, you might need a little more glue. I know we usually say just a dot, not a lot. You might need a little more. So I'm going to press it under. And I'm just going to put them all around the octopus. Okay. So far I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'm going to put my other 2 over on the side. So I'm going to put 7, 8. Okay, I have all 8 legs glued on. I'm going to take a black marker or crayon and my white circles, and I'm going to make the eyes. So I'm just drawing a little bit, like a half little black to make the eyes. And then I'm going to glue these on as well. So I'm going to put 1, and then color the other black like a half circle on the other white circle. I'm going to put glue on the back of that. 2. And there we have it, our little octopus. All right, my friends. Mrs. Newlands and I will see you back here soon.